Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. This company that I'm going to be collaborating with today is called Health Mothers. You can find them on Google. Just Google www.healthmothers.life. You will see them. They will pop up. They have a lot of amazing products on their website that are naturally sourced. All right, when I said naturally sourced, I meant they use natural ingredients, no harsh chemicals, no things on their ingredients that you won't be able to pronounce. Even if you find some of them so hard or difficult to pronounce, in brackets they already put the simplest form of pronouncing those those ingredients. They already put in bracket for you to be able to know. They are things we all know.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
Anyway, ladies, if you're interested in watching this video, please keep on watching, and please do not forget to leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and I'm going to be leaving the link to this product in my description box. Also, I have a discount code that is going to run from now till June 2022. So you have so many months of getting this product with my discount code. I will encourage you to please check out this website and also use my discount code. The soap I am presenting to you on the screen right now is called the coffee soap. All their products are handmade, all right? This soap is made with strongly brewed coffee and coffee grains in small patches to produce luxurious. It's an exfoliating bar with coconut oil, shea butter, and coconut butter for added moisture. For coffee lovers with delight in this. Alright, even if you don't really love coffee, you're still going to love this soap. Also, you can see the coffee in it, like the patches I mentioned earlier. You will see it on the camera. You can see the coffee inside of it, and it lathered pretty good. All right, I demonstrated it using my hand. I intend to use the soap on my face, but I just wanted to use my hand for the purpose of demonstration for you to see how it lathers, and it rinses off pretty good. Also, it smells so amazing, like you will smell this coffee in it. Coffee is good for our face to depuff it when it's like when you woke up and you look like you've not had enough sleep. It helps with the under eyes, also help with our skin. So I would recommend you check out this product. Also, the ingredient they use is written at the back of the soap. The next soap that I'm presenting to you is called the Shea Butter Soap. Alright, some of us we call it butter, some of us call it butter, whichever one that works for you. Alright, so it's the Shea Butter Soap. It's luxurious. It's all natural moisturizing bar made with shea butter and coconut oil, scented with natural essential oils, and made in Ghana. You all know Africa, Ghana. This product, like I mentioned, they are made handmade. All right, and they are all natural resources they use to produce this soap. You can see this soap on the camera right now, how it lathers pretty good. I even went ahead and rubbed it all the way up on my upper arm just to show you more about it. This product is amazing. It smells so good, lather pretty good, rinse off amazingly, like it left no residue or whatsoever, and it was very, very kind on my skin. Keeps my skin moisture. The next product I'm presenting to you is called the Shea Lavender Butter. It's a whipped natural shea butter with lavender essential oil. Like, ladies, the smell all over my studio right now, it's amazing with the lavender oil that they put with this shea butter. It smells so good. It keeps my skin so glowing and shining. You all can see it on the camera, and I've used it since my hands still remain like this, and I wouldn't mind to just go into it again just to show you. Look at that, and you just take a little goes a long way. I took just a little, and it just kept my skin glowing. Like, it's amazing, and it just, you see how it is, no residue. You see, it's good. It's like blended smoothly. That's the word I was looking for, because the product, it looks like this. and you will be wondering how long it's going to take to blend into your skin. It blended smoothly, and look at it. It's so glowy, it's glowing on my skin. It's not greasy. All right, it's just glowing. And after I put water, it still helps to retain the moisture on my skin. So the next product that I will be introducing to you is called the Shea body oil. It's a sweet orange and peppermint. This product nourishes and it moisturizes your skin, and it calms and refresh your body as well because of the added essential oils that they put on this product. You can also see the ingredients at the back. Also, if you want to know more about the ingredient, like I mentioned earlier on, you could check on their website. They are easy ingredient that you can pronounce. To you right now is called the hair oil. It is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. The hemp oil helps to moisturize and combat dandruff, all together with the coconut oil. Promote hair growth with the conditioning properties of castor oil plus the antibacterial and soothing properties of the added essential oils. This ingredient combined produce an oil that your hair will absolutely love. All right, so I will encourage you to please check up Health Models to see all the rest of their products. Everything they use are naturally sourced, and they are products that we all can resonate with, and I will encourage you to use this product. Don't forget, I have a discount code that is going to be running from now up until June 2022, just in case you want to buy. I'm going to encourage you to please do that, because these products, I am so in love with it. I'm going to be using the coffee soap to wash my face. That will be the first thing in my beauty regimen right from now on, and I will see how it works. Also, I will let you ladies know, maybe on my Instagram, or I'll post it somewhere to let you know how far I am loving this, especially the coffee soap. I'm already in love with the Shea Butter Lavender Body Butter. I'm already in love with it, and the rest of the products, they are really amazing. Thank you so much, Health Models, for collaborating with me on this video, and please check out the link in my description box. Let me know your thoughts also about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.